I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
Watch this video to learn how to update your fixed asset register if you change your financial year end. You must change the fixed asset start date if you change the financial year end in Xero. Xero shows a message on the main fixed asset page telling you the fixed asset, start date, and financial year end are out of sync. To continue managing fixed assets in Xero, update the start date to match the financial year end by clicking Change Start Date. Read the information on screen telling you what will happen in Xero once you save the updated fixed asset start date. Use the Xero Central link to read the support article for more information. When you're ready, select the new start date from the drop-down. In this example, we'll select the 1st of April 2025 as we extended our year end from December to March. Click Save to confirm the date. We can see Xero has reverted all the registered fixed assets to drafts. You can update these individually, but an easier and quicker way is to export the fixed assets. Click the Overflow menu and then choose Export. Open the export file and remove any rows containing registered assets. Then, scroll until you find the Opening Book Accumulated Depreciation column. This is where you must enter the accumulated depreciation from the previous financial period. For example, for the office desk, we'll enter 155. Complete the details for the remainder of your fixed asset register and import the file to bulk update your fixed asset register. You'll need to re-register your fixed assets. We can register them in bulk by clicking the top checkbox. Deselect any assets you don't want to register.